Django, why do some model fields clash with each other? I want to create an object that contains two links to users. For example, but I am getting the following errors when running the server. Accessor for field target clashes with related field user.gameClaim_set. Add a related _name argument to the definition for target. Accessor for field claimer clashes with related field user.gameClaim_set. Add a related _name argument to the definition for claimer. Can you please explain why I'm getting the errors and how to fix them?
You have two foreign keys to user. Django automatically creates a reverse relation from user back to gameClaim, which is usually gameClaim_set. However, because you have two FKS, you would have two gameClaim_set attributes, which is obviously impossible. So you need to tell Django what name to use for the reverse relation. Use the related _name attribute in the FK definition. For example,
the user model is trying to create two fields with the same name, one for the gameClaims that have that user as the target, and another for the gameClaims that have that user as the claimer. Here's the docs on related _name, which is Django's way of letting you set the names of the attributes. The auto-generated ones don't conflict.
The op isn't using an abstract base class. But if you are, you will find that hard coding the related _name in the FK, for example, related _name equals my name, will result in a number of these conflict errors, one for each inherited class from the base class. The link provided below contains the workaround, which is simple, but definitely not obvious. From the Django docs. If you are using the related _name attribute on a foreign key or many-tomany field, you must always specify a unique reverse name for the field. This would normally cause a problem in abstract-based classes, since the fields on this class are included into each of the child classes, with exactly the same values for the attributes, including related _name, each time. More info here.
sometimes you have to use extra formatting in related _name, actually, any time when inheritance is used. No clash here, but related _name is defined once and Django will take care for creating unique relation names. Then in children of value class, you'll have access to